If you own a Windows 10 computer, creating a bootable USB drive is an absolute necessity, especially for those times you run into any major issues with the operating system. Some people are intimidated by this, but the process is fairly simple and should be done before you have any problems. This will save you both time and hassle if or when you need a clean install of Windows. To begin, you need an empty USB with at least 8 GB of storage. If you don't have one laying around, they're quite inexpensive. Now head on over to this website. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. This is the official Microsoft website where we are going to download the media creation tool. Scroll down until you find a blue download button that says download the tool now. Click on it and that will begin the download process. Once it's downloaded, click on the media creation tool file to run it. You'll see the Microsoft terms and conditions. Click on accept to move forward. You have two choices. Select create installation media USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. Then click on next. If the backup is for the computer that you're currently using, then check the box next to use the recommended options for this PC. If the USB is being created for another computer, uncheck the box and go and select your language in addition from the drop-down boxes of architectures. Select 32-bit or 64-bit. If you're unsure, select both. But otherwise, it's best to leave the box checked next to use recommended options for this PC. After making your selections, click on next. It will now ask you to choose your media. Your choices are USB flash drive or ISO file. Select USB flash drive. If you don't have a flash drive at this moment with the required storage of at least 8 GB. Choosing ISO file lets you save it onto your computer so you can burn it to a DVD or USB later on. Before moving forward, if you haven't done so already, plug in your USB drive and select next. In the list, select your USB drive. If for some reason you don't see it, unplug it and plug it back in again. You may need to click refresh drive list. Once your drive is selected, click on next. There isn't much more here for you to do. The tool will download and install the files onto your USB drive. Depending on your internet speed, this could take several minutes or longer. When it's done, you'll get the message your USB flash drive is ready. Click on finish now, unplug the USB drive from your computer and store it in a safe place. In the future, if ever you have the need for a clean install of Windows, plug this drive into your computer and boot it up when your PC starts. It should boot to the drive you created. If it doesn't boot to the USB drive, go to your BIOS firmware and change the boot drive to your USB drive. If you don't know how to enter your BIOS, check with the manufacturer of your computer for instructions. This method may vary between each manufacturer. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, if you have any constructive criticism or any questions or anything, comment them down below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.